Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can lock your image's position on a page or a document in Microsoft Word really quickly. So let us get started. So as you can see, I added an image like that here for the sake of this tutorial. And now I would like to lock its position exactly there. So this is how you can do it, guys. What you want to do first is right click on the image and select wrap text from that drop down menu. And here to the right, select where and how you would like to wrap the text around or along your image. For instance, in line with text or square, position the image behind the text or in front of it, and so on and so forth. So let me go with the square wrapping just like that. And after that, you will see that the text is wrapping along or around that image here to the right. So what you want to do after that to lock your image's position is right click on it again. And after that, hover your mouse over wrap text again and make sure that you select fix position on page instead of move with text here. And that is going to lock your image's position so that if you keep typing your text, the image's position doesn't change, as you can see. So that's all to it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.